Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight, maghimo taog chicken halang-halang, original Bisaya recipe. So banik ko ninyo yung mga day. Please stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notif. See you! So first, let's prepare our ingredients that we need. Makahilak maputag lansang ani. Garlic, onions, red bell pepper, ginger, chili, and spring onions. In a bowl, we will marinate our chicken. First, we will put the soy sauce. Let's add our ground black bell pepper. Mix it properly and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. In a hot pan, let's put our garlic first. Next is ginger. Onions. Mix it properly until the onions turn into translucent. Now let's add our red bell pepper. Next is ginger. Mix all the ingredients properly so the flavors will combine. Now we're ready to put our marinated chicken. Now, let's add 2 bowls of water. You can add more kung gusto niyo siyang maging masabaw. Simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's put our salt, just a pinch of salt. But still, it's your preference kung gaano ka-salty yung gusto niyo. Now let's put our black soy sauce, Silver Swan soy sauce, made in Philippines. Now our one and only Datu puti, still made in Philippines. Now we will add our ground black pepper. Now let's add the chili spice. If you want it more spicy, then you can add more. And the last but not the least are spring onions. Leave it for another minute and then we'll get ready to serve. So this is our chicken halang-halang. Kaon na ta day. So mga day, moment of truth, tilawan nato ang atong recipe. So ready na jud kay ko mo attack, no? So mo ni ang atong spicy chicken or halang-halang chicken.
A few moments later.
Halang kasi mga day.
One eternity later.
Halang kayo sa mga day. Lamia. Pwede na. So mga day, achieve kayo na itong chicken halang-halang. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notif for my next videos. Thank you.
We live